Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important tool which will be very helpful to create different types of maps and different types of flowchart, different types of diagrams for your research article, and it has inbuilt templates. There are different types of templates available for all the streams of your research work, so you can make use of this tool to make your research the picture quality in your research article very better. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tool and how that tools will be very helpful for our research article preparation, and also we are going to explore some of the important templates available in this particular tool. The tool what we are going to discuss today is that Biorender. It is a scientific image and illustration software. So Biorender has revolutionized the way we draw and communicate our science because of the large number of pre-drawn icons and color schemes. So first, just click on that Biorender. You have to sign up with your email ID. So I have already done that. So it is going to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard you will be getting. So here you can see this is the gallery, and in this you can see create new, illustration, poster builder or a folder. So if you are click illustration, so it will take several seconds to load. So you can create whatever you want. So by having the already available templates, for example, say you will be having an option called graphs and symbols. So here in graphs and symbols you will be having callouts and banners, graph icons, list and numbers, pathway proteins, symbols and signs. So graph icons, in that graph icons click graph icons. So in this you will be having different types of graphs available. So just you can drag and drop this graph and you can edit whatever you want in this graph. So and also you can do or you can remove or you can paste whatever you want. So here you will be having different types of options. You can see here lines, shapes. You can insert any different types of shapes or any shapes. Next text shapes, or next you can edit the sizes also, and then you can vary the colors. You can see the different types of colors. You can add colors. So like that you can do this and you can play with this. You can create whatever the different types of templates available. You can edit and use it for your own blog post or any research article contents. So here you can see different types of graphs are available. So next moving on to other types. So next you can see arrows and shapes. Here you can see different types of arrows and lines are available. So like that you will be having different types of arrows and lines are available. So you can copy and paste and you can use it in your diagrams also. So here you can see different types of templates, cell types. Next one, proteins, nucleic acids, especially related with that chemistry and biological research. You can make use of this readily available pictures. So you can see cell structure. You can see here. So those who are doing project relevant in biotechnology, so it is very useful because the many of the templates are related with biotechnology and chemistry. So and also for general engineering you will be having different types of flow charts and mind maps also. Let us explore one by one. So after that you can click on templates. So here you can see different types of templates available. So I am going back, so thereby you can get a clear idea about that. So here you can see Biorender templates. So click on this Biorender templates. So you will be getting different types of templates available, readily available templates in this particular Biorender. So here you can sort out from name or which is popularly available, like that you can sort out. So here in this categories you can see the categories: COVID-19, top template of 2022, general figures, pathways, protocols and methodologies, graphical abstracts. So this is what many of researchers use to draw graphical abstract for a particular paper. So I am going to click graphical abstract. So here readily available abstract is given. So that is template is given. So here you can see design an effective graphical abstract square. So I am going to click on this one. So here you will be getting a picture like this. You can easily edit this picture. So here you can see use template. So click on use template. Yes, it is loading. So you can access the template easy. See here you can edit whatever you want accordingly. So thereby you can edit your title, and thereby you can change this structure of this graphical abstract for your paper. So you can change for your paper. So like that, there are different types of options are available. So next one is we have seen in general figures. So we have seen graphical abstracts. In general figures, you can see in general figures it's like a map. You can use this. So next one, as I said, it's mainly related with your biology and chemistry, people who are doing with research work. For example, people who are doing with different optimization techniques, bio inspired optimization techniques, or numerical, that is optimization techniques inspired by any natural behavior. So you can make use of this. Here you can see, so this is a easy flow chart. So here you can see this is a classification diagram. So you can use this templates to classify, and you can edit this image and you can replace it with any other image also. So like that, you will be having pictures in this general figure. There are many different types of that is templates are available. So you can go for a big search and you can use whatever you want for your research work. So next one is pathways. So these are the pathways, that is line diagram. What is the next step? Now what is the next step? Like this, you will be having this diagrams. So here you can edit these diagrams and you can make use of this for your own paper preparation. So you can edit this diagram and you can replace this with different pictures, and you can copy and paste any pictures, and you can edit pictures, and you can edit this diagram, and you can change colors whatever you want. So these are the different types of pathway diagrams. So here you can see you can use any of this as a template. So this is an important option. You can use any of this template for free, or else you can download this also diagram also, and you can use. For example, say you want to use this, means click on that particular and you use template alone. So you can use this one. So next one is protocols and methodologies. Here you can see, so these are the templates available for protocol and methodologies. So here there are different types of templates available for, in order to explain a particular experiment. So you will be having this kind of step by step process. So this is a editable one. So you can copy and paste your work, that is your pictures, step by step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So like that, you can classify the different types of techniques in your paper also using this kind of templates. And next one, you can see layouts and backgrounds. So here you can see different types of layouts are available. So here you can draw any type of layout diagram, or here you can see different types of classification diagram. So thereby you can edit this and you can give the text whatever you want, and you can delete if you are finished with this particular portion alone. So you can click and edit, or you can cut this portion particularly also. So like that, you can make use of this different types of layout diagrams. So this will be very useful. This is a common thing for our research. So layouts and backgrounds, so mostly we will use it to draw a block diagram or a flow diagram. So whatever you want, you can make use of this templates available. So or else you can place your image and you can edit whatever you want. So here you can see different types of templates for layouts and backgrounds are available. So here you can see this is a attractive one. You can enter your sample text and you can draw a puzzle diagram also. So like that, there are different options available related with this layout and backgrounds. So here you can see this is a fantastic one. So you can draw a for example, say algorithm. So you can insert a icon here. So by picture you can represent a algorithm. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, 4, 5 and mature. So like that, you can represent a algorithm also in this manner. So there are different types of templates, and unique templates are available. That is very, very important. So here you can see this is also a unique template. So you can place any title or a picture here, and you can enter your sample text here. So thereby you will be getting a different that is layout for your presentation. And for a table you can see here, so this is also a fantastic table diagram. So you can add or remove any cells. So sample text A, B, C you can classify by making tables also. So like that, in layouts and backgrounds you will be having different types of that is options available. So here you can see, so here you can see subtitles. So you can classify different methods used in your research paper. So like that you can make use of this different templates to improve the quality of your pictures in your research paper. So this is also a common template. So what I am clicking are all a common template for all the researchers. So here you can see, you can insert an image and you can explain the image very briefly. So like that you can make use of this template also. So next you can see activity sheets. So here you can see, this is the activity sheets for a flow diagram or any algorithm to be explained. So you can make use of these templates available, or if you want to represent that is the work in a single picture, so you can make use of this activity sheets. In this activity sheets you can summarize all the work you have done in your research paper, and you can represent your work through figures. So thereby you can make use of this activity sheets. Next you can see e-cards. So here you can see these are the different types of cards. So if you need any presentation, so in order to make presentation you can use this kind of templates to that is make that presentation very much very much attractive. So next one, virtual backgrounds. So here you can see this is the different types of backgrounds. You can download this background and you can edit whatever you want. So these are the different types of backgrounds. There are many backgrounds are available. So you can click on and go through this background also. So in this background you can edit any pictures also. So like that this is our all illustration. Next for posters. So click on this posters. So you will be having different types of posters. So you can copy and paste. So in order to represent your work, research work, you can make use of these posters. So here you can see, so starting from your abstract, objective, methods, results, conclusion, discussion and references, all the things can be made as a poster. So if you want to present anything that is in an exhibition or a science expo, students who are making any projects, you can make use of this kind of posters, and you can make as a big and you can print and you can present with your project also. It will be very attractive one. So like that you can make different types of posters. There are different types of templates are available for posters alone. So like that you can make use of the option in this Biorender templates. Next one is Learning Hub. So click on that. So you will be having all the tutorials. So how to make, how to change colors, or how to customize anything, or how to design graphical abstract. For example, if you are struggling to make a graphical abstract, here you can see designing graphical abstracts. So there is a tutorial available, and also to align an object, it is a tutorial available. So like that there are different tutorials available for all the important things for this particular Biorender. And also you can see Biorender basics for text and labels, for lines and shapes, for color gradients and contrast, for grouping or cropping objects. For all this you will be having tutorials. So as my experience, there is no need to tutorials. It is very user friendly only. So you can just go on and explore. You can, if you started to play with this Biorender, you itself easily can make an edit in a template, and so you can change and explore different types of options available in this Biorender also. So this will be a fantastic option to make the image quality in your research paper very better. There are a lot of inbuilt templates, especially for the people who are working with biotechnology and chemistry related works. So thereby it will be very medical field also. Thereby they can use this kind of Biorender. For common people in engineering streams, you can make use of this text labels and then different types of, that is, general figures, protocol pathways, graphical abstracts, and the layouts and backgrounds, graphs and timelines. So like that you can make use of this graphs, different types of common thing available in this particular Biorender, and you can make and present your paper very better using this Biorender. So this Biorender will be very helpful to improve the image quality in your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.